Okay, let's be exactly clear on what we're talking about here. I'm talking about opening a file that has password protection on the actual file itself. So an encrypted file that you cannot even open unless you have the password. So obviously if you've only got one password to remove, online service that does it for you, great, you know, one-off small fee. So to open a workbook, the first one then, this Excel 97 to 2003, you can do that software free. I go here, so you can use this website, access back, link in the description. This one, right, you can submit a file. If I just refresh this a second, because I actually sent a file. Oh yeah, I've uploaded the file, yeah. Let's go back to home, here we go. Right, this will remove any passwords on spreadsheets and actually Excel Word documents with the extension XLS or .doc in the case of a Word. Right? You choose your file, you upload it, you put in the email address. So I've done that earlier. I'm waiting to hear back from them. And what they will do is learn how it works. So you will receive a screenshot of the decrypted file. So in other words, they're basically going to get into it, show you what it looks like, and then ask you for some money. How much money are they going to ask you for? Well, depends how many you can buy credit packs. All these links are in the description, and just at full open honesty here, these are affiliate links, so it doesn't cost you anything, but I will obviously get something if you use it, so I get a small commission if you use it. So it's a good way to support the channel at no cost to you. But anyway, how much is going to cost you? Right. Depends on the tax rate actually in which country you're in. So for me, I'm looking at it from the UK, but I'm showing it in US dollars because it's a pretty universal language for most people. $8 US to open one file, crack one file. But you can buy a pack of 5 for $30. So that's going to be more like $6 each. And then you can also buy a pack of 10. I mean, the main advantage of this method, I guess, is that you don't need any software. You send it off. They promise 24 hours. They'll send something back within 24 hours. So that's it. Use at your discretion. See you soon.